Hello, boys. How are you all? What about your studies? Going well now? You are attending school properly? And what about girls? Are you attending the school? Are you going to school now? You are getting education together in the same class, boys and girls? What I am asking? Girls at par with boys? Are you crazy? If girls go to school, who will marry them? No, 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 these are not my words, children. These are words of a mother, of a daughter. You can feel how girls are being treated at homes by their parents, especially in rural areas. Daughters in society, which is biased in their attitude towards them. This is a social evil, this gender discrimination. Our society is plagued by, but ray of hope is there, which is our topic today, भोली. मैं विजय कुमार स्वागत करता हूं आप सबका बड़े इंटरेस्टिंग कहानी भोली में. You have to see that girls are not left behind in this sphere, in this sector, in this education field. At school time, they should be at school. They should not be busy. They should not be kept busy in household work, cleaning utensil, washing clothes, and working as domestic help. It's our duty, boys and girls, fathers and mothers, and we teachers, and as a society. It's our responsibility that our girls get proper education. And what is that they cannot do if they are given proper education? They can become Gunjan Saxena, Air Force pilot. Yes, I am talking about your chapter 9, 10th class, Bholi. This is about girls. Sending them to school, encourage them to study. This is story from your own environment where you live. You can see happening these things around you. What do you think? I am saying right or not? Go to comment section. And it is written in such way that you can even play it in your class, children. You can act upon it. रियल लाइफ में भी गर्ल्स ने इस पर एक्ट करना है, लेकिन क्लास में भी आप एक्ट कर सकते हैं इस पर. एंड वन थिंग मोर, यू रीड दिस कन्वर्सेशन, there is little chance of her getting married with her ugly face and lack of sense. देखिए आप, this color of this lack of sense. Let the teachers at school worry about her. This is also whispered conversation of Bholi's parents, and these are words of mother. See how differently able children are meted out at home. What their parents are thinking. Is it the responsibility of us teachers only? See the line, let the teachers at school worry about her. अगर तहसीलदार प्रेशराइज कर रहा है नंबरदार को कि अपनी भोली बच्ची को स्कूल में डाल, और वो इतना सोच रहे हैं, प्रेशर आ रहा है तो चलो डाल दो, टीचर अपने आप भुगतेगी. These should be the words of a mother. And we know if they are encouraged, these differently abled children, they can become Deepa Malik, who is on a mission, ability beyond disability, who says disability brought her life into focus. हम फोकस कर पाते हैं, ये बच्चे भी फोकस कर पाएंगे. इन्हें एनकरेज तो करे कोई. ऐसा एटीट्यूड पेरेंट्स का. It's not mere responsibility of teachers only. First was about girls' education. Second was it's about differently abled children. And see these teachers. Now these words, get up. You saw those words of a mother of a daughter. Here, these are the words, well done. Put fear out. You will speak like everyone. Who can speak these words? Teachers. Only teachers. In the life of children like Bholi, mentally retarded children, lack of sense they are having according to their parents. But they are called mentally retarded. But who are there for them? Teachers. Look at these words, read these words. That soothing voice, soft voice, they hear from no one but from teacher. First time in their life, only at school. Do you remember your first day when you were admitted in school, or when you were taken to school by your parents? You were reluctant to go to school, like Bholi, this girl. But teachers encouraged you. In a day or two, you started liking, enjoying the school because of these teachers, because they encouraged you to come to school on daily basis. Here also, a girl Bholi is being encouraged in this lesson to overcome social barriers in their education. These mentally retarded children, these girls from rural areas. This story shows that how a girl, if she is encouraged by her teachers, she can be courageous to send her Bharat back by refusing to marry an old man, almost of the same age of her father, the bridegroom who limps. She can send that Bharat back. And what else this lesson talks about? Marriage system and dowry system. दहेज के कारण कितनी हमारी लड़कियों को नरकीय जीवन व्यतीत करना पड़ता है, सुसाइड कर लेते हैं, दे आर बर्न्ड इवन बाय देयर इन-लॉज, दोज ग्रीडी पीपल. दिस लेसन इज अ रिप्लाई to those people, those greedy people. You remember the time of 1960s, a scene of a marriage? क्या हुआ करता था उस समय? पंडाल में ही in-laws used to ask for dowry.
खैरिए पंडित जी, ये शादी अभी नहीं हो सकती, लड़की के भाई ने पूरा दहेज नहीं दिया.
You could see fathers, brothers begging not to do like that.
मेरी लाज रख लो, 2,000 की तो बात है.
And their excuses of bridegroom's father.
इसकी पढ़ाई में मेरे 20,000 रुपए खर्च हो चुके हैं, वो कौन पूरा करेगा?
And no ear was given to that father's cries and that brother's cries. They kept begging, and Bharat used to go back without getting married.
नहीं काका, काका दया करो, मुझ पर नहीं तो बेचारी माँ.
Without marrying the girl. Think of the situation. But time has changed now, boys and girls. Time has changed now. अभी क्या होता है, अगर हम लेटेस्ट ही बॉलीवुड की मूवी से ही कुछ क्लिप्स उठाएं तो आप देखिए. इन दिस प्रेजेंट डे मैरिज सेरेमनी, इफ वन आस्क्स फॉर डॉवरी.
नहीं पैसे अभी नहीं चाहिए, हम इतने पत्थर दिल भी नहीं है, फेरे तो हो जाएंगे. मगर हाँ, 2-4 दिन के बाद 1 लाख रुपए के साथ लड़की को तुम हमारे घर भेजना.
और अगर वो मांग ही लेता है तो पापा चाहे फिर भी कहें कि मैं कहां से लाऊंगा.
हजारीलाल जी, मैं इतने पैसे कहां से लाऊंगा?
बट टुडेज गर्ल, वो क्या रिएक्ट करेगी?
मैंने कहा उठ जाओ.
क्या कहा?
बाहर निकलो फौरन, अभी और इसी वक्त.
She is educated. You are today's girl. What you will say in this situation to these greedy people, these dowry mongers? You are in 10th class and you have studied Bholi. You are getting exactly the real lesson from this chapter. और फादर आपको ना कहें अगर कि बेटी ये क्या कर रही है,
मैं दिले चुप कर बेटा, चुप.
आपने बोल देना है.
नहीं पापा, मैं चुप नहीं रहूंगी. बस बहुत हो गया. इस आदमी की धमकियां सुन सुनकर तो मेरे कान पक गए. निकलते क्यों नहीं?
उस कावड़ को भी आपने स्कोल्ड करना है. उसको बताना है कि तुझसे शादी करने से तो मर जाना बेटर है.
चुप छछंदर, तेरे जैसे पति से तो सती होना अच्छा है.
You have to say no to such guy. You cannot let it happen with your father, with your parents.
बेचारे मेरे पापा एक एक आदमी से हाथ जोड़कर ऐसे माफी मांग रहे थे, जैसे लड़की को पैदा कर कर उन्होंने बहुत बड़ा पाप किया हो. तो है तुम सब पर. निकल जाओ यहाँ से. Get out.
So you all are Sulekha here, like Bholi in this lesson. Bholi was her teacher's masterpiece. यू आर ऑल्सो योर टीचर्स मास्टरपीस। हम मास्टरपीस बना रहे हैं। 10वीं के बच्चे बच्चियां जितनी हमारे स्कूलों में पढ़ रही हैं, गवर्नमेंट स्कूलों में पढ़ रही हैं, ये सब हमारे मास्टरपीस हैं। ये उखाड़ फेंकेंगी इन रूढ़ियों को, इन सोशल इविल्स को। दे विल नॉट बो बिफोर देम, दे विल डेयर टू डू like that. We are going to study how teachers are doing their best to bring these girls at par with boys, encouraging them to have a place in society which is due to them. These girls can say I want, I want, I want, जैसा भोली ने बोला। आप स्टडी करेंगे इस लेसन में। वो आदमी who is 50, वो आदमी who limps, जो लंगड़ा कर चल रहा है, आप उसको ना कह सकें, कितना भी प्रेशर आप पर हो। यू शुड हैव सच करेज। दिस इज एजुकेशन। दैट्स वाई आई सेड भोली इज रे ऑफ होप फॉर अस। द गर्ल्स हु आर गेटिंग एजुकेशन इन schools, who are studying in 10th standard, studying this lesson Bholi. If you see anything happening like this in your neighborhood, in your society, do what you can do. Inform the authorities. If a girl under 18, she is getting married to someone and bridegroom is like that, you tell us, you talk to your teachers, you talk to your parents. मुझे बताएं, कमेंट सेक्शन में जाएं, मैं हूं ना। And what else this lesson talks about? Gender discrimination, where boys are being sent to city schools and colleges for higher education, girls are being groomed just for marriage purpose. They are not sent to schools. In this lesson also, by Nambardar Ramlal, whose boys are studying in city schools and girls are not sent even to village schools. So girls, be aware of your rights, your duties and your privileges. Learn from this lesson, real lesson from this chapter. And know that education is the best weapon and solution for emancipation, for equality of women, to end this discrimination and stigmas that women has to bear in patriarchal society just because they are women, just because they are girls. Story is from which place? You will see the words, characters, events, places, like the title itself, Bholi. भोली कहाँ से आई? तो इंडिया से ही लग रहा है वर्ड भोली। काव है उसकी लक्ष्मी, ब्राइड ग्रूम विशंभर, कहाँ की स्टोरी है ये लोन वर्ड्स लिए गए हैं। नंबरदार, तहसीलदार साहिब, इज्जत, पिताजी, ये वर्ड्स बताते हैं कि ये इंडियन स्टोरी है। द राइटर K.A. अब्बास, ख्वाजा अहमद अब्बास, इज फ्रॉम पानीपत, हमारे हरियाणा से हैं वो। और हरियाणा तो पहले ही नॉन है फॉर द स्टेटस ऑफ वुमेन, फॉर द स्टेटस ऑफ गर्ल्स in society. But we know trend is changing these days. In Haryana as well, in all the spheres, girls are doing well, and because of these lessons by K.A. Abbas Bholi, इन्हें पढ़िए आप। एनकरेज करता है, ये मोटिवेट करता है टू स्टडी फर्दर, टू गो फॉर हायर स्टडीज। K.A. Abbas, June 7, 1914, Panipat born, was Indian film director, screenwriter, journalist and writer. आप पढ़ रहे हैं, उर्दू में लिखा, हिंदी में लिखा, इंग्लिश में लिखा और नेशनल फिल्म अवार्ड्स जीते। इंटरनेशनली वो फेम थे, अपने काम के लिए जाने जाते थे। 1969 की 7 हिंदुस्तानी, इन विच फर्स्ट टाइम ही साइंड अमिताभ बच्चन इन हिज फर्स्ट मूवी। And as a screenwriter, he worked with Raj Kapoor in so many of his movies like Bobby and etc. K.A. Abbas, known for his creativity, and this masterpiece by K.A. Abbas, Bholi, we are going to study today. Title देखिए कॉम्पैक्ट सा, भोली, कितना सुटेबल है। भोली, भोली ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, इसके अंदर क्या है? ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन है। फ्रॉम अगली सिंपलटन इनटू एजुकेटेड, एनलाइटेंड, असर्टिव यंग वुमन में बदल जाना। ये कहानी है भोली की। दो कनोटेशन भी हैं इसके अंदर। भोली जैसे हरियाणा में भी होता है कि कोई एमआर है अगर मेंटल रिटार्ड है तो उसको बोली कह देते हैं, बोली है ये तो एच अपनी तरफ से लगाया, भोली इसलिए बनाया उसने, है तो वो सुलेखा, उसको भोली बुलाया, बोली है ये तो। देखिए आप कितना रिलेवेंट है हमारे और आपसे, हमारी सोसाइटी से। ग्रेट स्टोरी, वेरी मच रिलेटेड टू यू फ्रॉम योर ओन एनवायरमेंट। एंड सेकेंड इज बीइंग सिंपल, भोली एंड बोली, मेंटली रिटार्डेड भी है वो, नाम भोली है, सिंपल, सिंपलटन। सो द टाइटल इज एप्रोप्रिएट। थीम की अगर बात करें कि लव, एनकरेजमेंट, सिंपैथी कैन स्ट्रेंथन मोस्ट टॉर्मेंटेड सोल्स। ये गर्ल्स, these differently abled children, with love and encouragement, they can do big things. They can become Gunjan Saxena, they can become Deepa Malik. Teacher turns her from dumb cow to lightning thunder, that she can refuse 50-year bridegroom who limps. See this transformation the story talks about. We are going to do summary, but before going for summary I would like to say if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe कर लें, दोस्तों में शेयर भी करें। मैं आता रहता हूँ इस तरह के वीडियोस आपके लिए बनाता हूँ। लगभग हर चैप्टर पर वीडियो आपके रेडी है, बट स्टिल इफ़ यू वांट आई शुड प्रिपेयर ऑन एनी पर्टिकुलर लेसन, ग्रामर टॉपिक और राइटिंग स्किल सेक्शन, यू कैन आस्क मी बाय गोइंग टू कमेंट सेक्शन। मैं ज़रूर उस पर वीडियो बनाऊँगा। तो चलिए देखते हैं समरी में क्या है। सुलेखा, देखिए आप, इन द वेरी फर्स्ट लाइन ऑफ द लेसन शी इज सुलेखा, बट शी इज कॉल्ड भोली। भोली या बोली ये आपने देखना है। बिकॉज शी हैड फॉलन ऑफ द कॉट ऑन हर हेड एंड ड्यू टू दैट सम पार्ट ऑफ हर माइंड डैमेज्ड and she was backward girl now, so she was called due to this Bholi. Though at birth she was pretty and fair in looking, but what happened when she was 2 years, suffered from attack of smallpox. Only her eyes were saved, otherwise entire body had deep poke marks all over, and she could not even speak till she was 5. And when she learned to speak, she started stammering. She stammered even. बोली हकलाती थी. And all the girls in her neighborhood used to mimic her, used to copy her, used to tease her on this stammering. And Father Ramlal had 7 children, 3 sons and 4 daughters, and this Bholi was the youngest among the daughters. Ramlal's family was a prosperous family where there was plenty to eat and drink, and all the children were healthy and strong except Bholi. Bholi जो थी स्वस्थ नहीं थी, अदरवाइज सारे बच्चे स्वस्थ थे। एंड नंबरदार sons used to go to city schools and colleges, and girls जो थी उसकी वो स्कूल नहीं भेजी गई। Daughter Radha had already got married. Mangala is settled. Soon she is also going to be married. Then there will be Champa's turn, and she is also good looking, and but Ramlal is worried about that girl Bholi, as neither she is having good looks nor she was intelligent. And when Bholi was 7 years, a girls' school was opened in the village, and Tehsildar came for opening ceremony, where he ordered Nambardar Ramlal that you are representative of government, and is nate it's your responsibility that you first send your daughter to school. In this pressure, he decides to send Bholi to school. And when in the evening he consulted his wife for sending Bholi to school, that was the reply of Bholi's mother. क्या कहा उसने? Are you crazy? If girls go to school, who will marry them? देखिए आप, ये conversation देखिए आप पेरेंट्स का. Father and mother are talking about sending Bholi to school in the pressure of Tehsildar. They are talking. देखिए उनकी mentality. They have no courage to disobey Tehsildar, being Nambardar. यहाँ पर देखिए तहसीलदार, नंबरदार, इंग्लिश वर्ड्स जो आ रहे हैं, है ना. सो वाइफ टू एग्रीड टू सेंड भोली टू स्कूल एंड टोल्ड हिम दैट ओके यू सेंड भोली टू स्कूल as it is there is little chance of her getting married with her ugly looks and lack of sense. Let the teachers at school worry about her. माँ ये कहती है फादर को. तो you can see how differently abled children are meted out at homes. Come, I will take you to school. तो Bholi is frightened. She came to know of their cow Lakshmi when she was taken out and sold to someone. She never came back. She was afraid of going anywhere with father. She pulled her hand away from her father's grip and Ramlal shouted on this, ki, you fool, what's wrong with you? He goes to his wife and tells her to let her wear some new clothes. Being daughter of Nambardar, she should wear new clothes today as she is being taken to school. So she to give her new clothes for the day. New clothes had never been made for Bholi ever in her life because elders' clothes were passed on to her, and even no mending and no proper washing was given to her clothes. Champa's dress was given to on the occasion as it was no longer fitted to Champa, so it was given to Bholi to wear today. And even she was bathed today and oil was rubbed in her matted hair, and due to this treatment on that day she thought that she was being taken to a place better than her home. She goes to school with her father. At school, with the fear-laden eyes, she sees that there were so many rooms in the school where girls were squatted on mats. Few of them were reading and few of them were writing on slates, and headmistress asked Bholi to sit down in a corner. She did not know what to do here. Girls of her age she could see there, and she was glad to find that few of them might become her friends in days to come. She sees that lady teacher in the room was saying something to these girls, and she was not able to understand what she was saying, है ना. And she started looking at the pictures in the classroom. She sees a horse and resembled that the Tehsildar on that day came on this horse, and she sees black goat picture hanging on the wall, and it was just like Bholi's neighbor's goat, and she saw a parrot's picture, and it was the same parrot that she used to see in mango orchards, and she sees there a picture of cow which was very much like her own cow Lakshmi. So suddenly she realized that someone was standing behind her, and it was her teacher. Her teacher had already started working on her masterpiece. उसकी टीचर आकर उसके पीछे खड़ी हो गई हैं, काम शुरू कर दिया है, आर्टिस्ट की तरह वो काम कर रही हैं. She asks Bholi, what is your name, little one? तो वो क्या बोलती है? She could only stammer, भ इतना ही कह पाती है वो. And she started crying. Tears started flowing from eyes, and she kept her head down. All girls started laughing at her, and when the bell rang and all girls in that room ran outside the classroom, Bholi was still there in the room and sitting in the corner, and she could not dare to leave her corner. Bholi, that soft word touched her heart. Get up, Bholi. And it was not command, it was friendly suggestion. यही तो होते हैं ना टीचर, फ्रेंड, फिलोसफर एंड गाइड. गेट अप, नाउ टेल मी योर नेम. तो वो सोचती है कि विल इट बी दैट माई टंग विल वंस अगेन डिसग्रेस मी. तो for the sake of this kind woman, that teacher Bholi decides to speak her name, but still she could just stammer. Well done was that teacher's response. Well done came Well done, come on now, full name. This is encouragement by teacher, and this time Bholi. As if it was a great achievement for Bholi. She was astonished. See, well done. That teacher patted Bholi affectionately. क्या ये अफेक्शन उसे घर में भी मिलता है? Now put your fear out of your mind. You can speak like everyone. See, teacher words these are. She looked up and asked, really? And teacher replied, yes. Come every day to school and you will learn. Will you come? She nodded. She did not say yes. She just nodded her head. अब टीचर क्या करेगी नोडिंग पर? टीचर ने बोला नो, डोंट नॉट, से यस, स्पीक, से यस. तो वो बोली यस. She was able to say yes, and she was astonished that she could speak yes. Didn't I tell you? टीचर ने क्या कहा? Didn't I tell you that you will be able to speak? Now take this book. तो वो टीचर उसको बुक देती है. That book was full of nice pictures. It was having a big black letter with those pictures as well. So teacher tells Bholi that you will in a month you will read this book, and when you read this book I will give you a bigger one. Then you will be more learned person than anyone in the village, and then no one ever will laugh at you and listen to you with respect. ये सब वो टीचर उसे बताती है. And you will speak even without stammer. और तुम हकलाना भी बंद कर दोगी. Understand? वो पूछती है. She asked Bholi to go home now and come back to school tomorrow early in the morning. This is psychology. That teacher is expert in her duty, in her work. So heart throbbing was a great experience for Bholi, and new hope of new life was there in her mind now. Years passed, कई साल बीत गए. Their village was no more village. It turned into a town now. That primary school was upgraded as high school. A cinema and a cotton ginning mill was established, and train also started stopping at the railway station. And once again a conversation between parents of Bholi is there. Then shall I accept Bishambar's proposal? उसका फादर जो है उसकी मदर से पूछता है, तो वो कहती है yes certainly you should accept Bishambar's proposal. तो वो बोलती है कि Bholi will be lucky to have such a well-to-do bridegroom. Big shop he is having own house, and I heard that he is having several thousand in bank also, and even he is not asking for dowry. We should say yes. वो कहता है कि हाँ तुम सही कह रही हो, but one problem is that he is not so young, almost the same age as I am, and he even limps, and he has children from his first wife who are quite grown up now. तो उसकी मदर ये सुनकर भी क्या कहती है, देखो आप. सो व्हाट डज इट मैटर? 40 or 50 is not a great age for a man. We are lucky that he is from another village and he does not know about her pock marks and lack of sense, and he has said yes. We should also say yes. हाँ कह दो. अब देखो शादी भी हो रही है तो उसको अंधेरे में रख के हो रही है, उसके बारे में बताया भी नहीं है भोली को. क्या ऐसा होना चाहिए? क्या पॉक्स मार्क छुपाए जाने चाहिए दूल्हे से? क्या लैक ऑफ सेंस छुपाई जानी चाहिए? क्या शादियां ऐसे तय करनी चाहिए? यस, देखिए आप. एंड वो कहती है कि इफ़ वी डू नॉट एक्सेप्ट बिशम्बर्स प्रपोजल देन हु विल मैरी दिस डम काउ? शी विल रिमेन अनमैरिड इन होल हर लाइफ. तो वो कहता है हाँ तुम ठीक कहती हो, येस यू आर राइट, बट आई वंडर व्हाट भोली विल से. फादर फिर भी सोच रहा है कि हमारी लड़की क्या कहेगी. तो मदर इस पर भी क्या कहती है, व्हाट विल दैट विटलेस वन से? अरे वो क्या कहेगी, मूर्ख. वो मूर्ख क्या कहेगी? व्हाट विल दैट विटलेस वन से? शी इज लाइक ए डम काउ. जहां मर्जी बांध दो जिसके भी खुट्टे से. क्या कहेगी वो? एंड भोली वाज लेइंग अवेक लिसनिंग टू पेरेंट्स विस्पर्ड कन्वर्सेशन, वो इस सब को सुन रही है, ठीक है, कि उसके पापा उसके बारे में कुछ डिसीजन ले रहे हैं, वो सुन रही है। क्या अभी वो ना कहती है या ना कब कहती है? देखिए आप, वो ओबीडियंट चाइल्ड है ना, देखिए आप। एंड दैट वेल टू डू ब्राइड ग्रूम comes with big party friends and with brass band which was playing popular Indian Hindi film song and headed by procession. Bridegroom Bishambar was riding a decorated horse. Ramlal was overjoyed to see that pomp and splendor, and that he never dreamed of that his fourth daughter marries will be such grand wedding. Even her elder sisters were envious of her luck कि इतनी बढ़िया शादी तो हमारी भी नहीं हुई। दुल्हन को लाओ, पंडित बोला, bring the bride, and Bholi in a red silken bridal dress comes to the pandal there and garland the bride. दुल्हन को माला पहनाओ। वन ऑफ द फ्रेंड ऑफ बिशंबर वो कहता है, एंड बिशंबर लिफ्ट्स द गार्लैंड एंड अ वुमन देयर स्लिप्ड बैक द व्हील फ्रॉम हर फेस टू टेक अ क्विक ग्लांस बाय बिशंबर, एंड व्हेन बिशंबर सीज भोली द गार्लैंड रिमेन पोज्ड इन हिज हैंड्स। वो देखता है और फिर से जो है लड़की अपना द ब्राइड जो है पुल डाउन द व्हील ओवर हर फेस की, अरे ये क्या कर दिया, मेरा फेस देख लिया इसने। तो उसने बोला, हैव यू सीन हर? वो अपने दोस्त से पूछता है कि तुमने इसका चेहरा देखा है? शी हैज़ पोक मार्क्स ऑन हर फेस, अरे इसके तो चेचक के दाने हैं, दाग हैं इस पर। तो उसका दोस्त भी बोलता है, सो व्हाट, यू आर नॉट यंग ईदर, तो तू कौन सा जवान है? मे बी, वो बोलता है इफ़ आई एम टू मैरी दिस गर्ल हर फादर मस्ट गिव मी 5000 रुपीज़। वो सीन आ गया है दहेज का, डोवरी आ गई है। देखिए आप, रामलाल went to Bishambar and he placed his turban in his feet that he should not humiliate like this anymore. Ramlal asked Bishambar to take 2000 rupees, but Bishambar is adamant for her demand that Ramlal will have to give 5000 rupees, otherwise you keep your daughter with you and we go, Bharat will go back. तो वो बोलता है कि be a little considerate Bishambar, please, if you go back and I can never show my face in the village, then Bishambar बोलता है कि then you pay 5000 rupees, then come out with 5000 rupees. Tears streaming down his face, Ramlal रो रहा है। He goes in, he opens the safe, he counted the notes and placed the bundle at Bishambar's feet, and triumphant smile, वो जो है खुश हो जाता है, on his face जो है बिशंबर के वो अपीयर होती है। वो सोचता है that he gambled, जो उसकी बैट थी, जो शर्त रखी थी वो मान ली गई है, and won, and he asked for garland, and once again when the wheel was slipped back, but दिस टाइम भोलीज आइज वर नॉट डाउनकास्ट, अब उसकी आंखें झुकी हुई नहीं थी। भोली वाज लुकिंग स्ट्रेट इनटू हर प्रोस्पेक्टिव हस्बैंड, वो उसको घूर रही थी। एज ही रेज द गार्लैंड टू प्लेस इट राउंड द नेक ऑफ भोली, बट बिफोर ही कुड डू सो हर हैंड स्ट्रक आउट लाइक अ स्ट्रीक ऑफ लाइटनिंग एंड गार्लैंड वाज फ्लंग इनटू द फायर। उस पवित्र अग्नि में वो गिर जाती है माला, और शी गॉट अप थ्रू अवे द व्हील, वो उठती है और घूंघट भी उतारती है, एंड सेज पिताजी जब सब सुनते हैं उसके इस वर्ड को कि हैं, ए लाउड क्लियर वॉइस, नो स्टैमरिंग, ऑल वाज स्टार्टल्ड, ऑल रिलेटिव्स देयर स्टैंडिंग देयर वर स्टार्टल्ड टू हियर दैट दिस गर्ल कैन स्पीक सो क्लियरली, टेक बैक योर मनी, आई एम नॉट गेटिंग मैरिड टू दिस मैन। भोली क्या बोलती है? डैड टेक बैक योर मनी, आई एम नॉट गेटिंग मैरिड टू दिस मैन। रामलाल थंडरस्ट्रक, रामलाल वॉज थंडरस्ट्रक, गेस्ट्स वर विस्परिंग, सो शेमलेस, सो अगली एंड सो शेमलेस गर्ल शी इज, व्हाट इज शी सेइंग? भोली आर यू क्रेजी, ये उसके फादर बोलता है। Ramlal shouts at Bholi, asks her, "Are you crazy? Do you want to disgrace your family? What are you saying? Have some regards for our इज्जत." कि हमारे इज्जत की कुछ तो परवाह करो। तो वो क्या बोलती है, डैड फॉर द सेक ऑफ योर इज्जत आई वॉज रेडी टू मैरी दिस ओल्ड मैन, दिस 50 years old man, बट आई विल नॉट हैव सच ए मीन ग्रीडी कॉन्टेप्टिबल कावर्ड एज माई हस्बैंड, जो 5,000 रुपये मांग रहा है आपसे। आई वॉन्ट डैड, आई वॉन्ट। देखिए आप, ये है पावर ऑफ एजुकेशन। ओल्ड वुमन भी कहती है, व्हाट अ शेमलेस गर्ल। वहाँ पर एक खड़ी है बूढ़ी महिला, तो ये बूढ़ी मानसिकता जो दिखाई है, इस वर्ड है उसके, व्हाट अ शेमलेस गर्ल। वी ऑल थॉट शी वॉज हार्मलेस डम काउ। हम तो इसे गऊ समझते थे, डम काउ समझते थे। तो वो बोलती है, हाँ हाँ तुम मुझे डम काउ समझते थे, दैट्स वाई यू वांटेड टू हैंड मी ओवर टू दिस हर्टलेस क्रिएचर, तभी मुझे इसको बांधने चले थे ना। बट नाउ दिस डम काउ इज स्पीकिंग, मैं आज बोल रही हूँ। दिस स्टैमरिंग फूल इज स्पीकिंग, डू यू वांट टू लिसन मोर? और सुनना चाहती है? विशंबर गोज बैक विद हिज पार्टी, वापिस भेजी जाती है बहरहाल। रामलाल स्टूड रूटेड टू द ग्राउंड, वो जड़ हो जाता है। हिज हेड इज बोर्ड लो विद द वेट ऑफ ग्रीफ एंड शेम, शर्म के मारे, दुख के मारे उसका सिर झुका हुआ है। सेक्रेड फायर भी जो है स्लोली डाइज डाउन एंड एवरीथिंग वाज गॉन नाउ, नो वन वाज देयर। और उसका फादर क्या कहता है, बट व्हाट अबाउट यू, नो वन विल एवर मैरी यू बेटा, व्हाट शैल वी डू विद यू नाउ, अब तेरा क्या करेंगे हम। तो बोलती है, डोंट यू वरी पिताजी, तुम चिंता मत करो, इन योर ओल्ड एज आई विल सर्व यू and mother, I will teach in the same school where I learned all this, where I learned so much. Isn't that right, ma'am? अब वो मैम भी खड़ी है कॉर्नर में, अब मैम कॉर्नर में खड़ी है। पहले भोली कॉर्नर में बैठती थी फर्स्ट डे पर, आज मैडम कॉर्नर में खड़ी है। देखिए आप चेंज। स्टैंडिंग, दो टीचर वाज स्टैंडिंग इन द कॉर्नर, बट शी वाज एट द सेंटर स्टेज। She had done her duty. Her masterpiece was ready. तो वो बोलती है, yes भोली, of course you are right. उसकी आंखों में है deep satisfaction that an artist feels when contemplating the completion of her masterpiece. So children, especially girls, you like this story? Story of Bholi, story of Sulekha, story of Boli. That turned from dumb cow to a thunder lightning. ऐसा आपने बनना है, तभी कहलाएगा कि आपने ये पाठ सच में पढ़ा था, असली शिक्षा इस पाठ से आपने ली थी। मुझे कमेंट करें ये वीडियो आपको कैसा लगा, लाइक करें, शेयर करें दोस्तों में, अपनी सहेलियों में भी शेयर करें कि इसको ज़रूर देखें। ये बहुत बड़ा लेसन है, बड़ी सीख है इसके अंदर, समय की ये मांग है। मैं आ रहा हूँ लाइन टू लाइन फुल एक्सप्लेनेशन लेकर अपने नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। टिल देन यू एन्जॉय दिस वन। बाय बाय, थैंक यू। जब तक दवाई नहीं तब तक ढिलाई नहीं, कोरोना की बात कर रहा हूँ। बाय बाय, थैंक यू।